Before installing the modified handlebars of the Kibier, it is necessary to remove the handlebars of the original vehicle. You can refer to the disassembly sequence in this video. First, remove the rearview mirror. Remove the decorative piece next to the ignition knob. Remove the ignition knob. Remove the ignition knob. Remove the front windshield and front hood. Remove the headlights and decorative components. Disconnect the wiring connection on the original handlebar. Finally, remove the original handlebars. Stick the circuit and the rope with toughness together with adhesive tape, using high-pressure air gun to achieve fast threading. After threading, install the button assembly on the handlebar bag. Install the handlebars of the Kibier onto the motorcycle in the order shown in the reference video. You don't need to tighten it here. It's convenient for subsequent adjustments. Install the rearview mirror and other components back in place. Adjust the handle according to the riding status of the owner. Reconnect the line. Install the headlights, headlight decorations, motorcycle front face, and windshield. Reinstall the ignition knob and the decorative parts next to it. Be sure to tighten every screw of the original motorcycle.